Hello! Let's do Salsa Basic Step dance along for 1 minute. Let's join us and copy. Let's go! Feel the music. 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and very good, moving the hips. One, 2, 3, and one, 2, 3, and very good. Feeling the music. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and very good. Very good. Moving the hips. Feeling the music. And good job, everybody. So we hope you joined us for the salsa dance along. If you want, look at the link below in the description for the Salsa Basic Step tutorial and join us for more videos. Bye!